Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are going to take a look at setting up your automation settings under your system settings here. So I'm going to access this by hovering over my agency and then this blue button up top, the system settings. That's where I want to go. Now you'll see a series of tabs that you can go through all of the individual settings. This one, I'm going to specifically look at automation settings. So there's a couple important ones in here. Execute automation steps on business days only. So basically, do you want anything going out on weekends or holidays? I'm going to say yes, I want business days only. Now, when you're defining an automation touch point, so if you go in there and you say send an email after 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, what type of day are you referring to? A business day or a calendar day? So if something goes in on a Thursday and I want an email to go out 3 days later, do you want it to go out on Sunday or Tuesday? Right, it's essentially what you're looking at, right? So Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Monday, Tuesday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So I'm going to use business day. I'm just going to completely ignore holidays and weekends. Same thing here. Emails and texts being triggered immediately. Do you always want it triggered, whether it's a work day or not? Yes or no. So there's a lot of really good ones here. Disable automations on holidays. Yes, I'm going to do that. You can hover over this and it'll tell you which holidays specifically it's talking about. So there's a pretty good list there. You can also select some individual dates. So if you have some local holidays that you don't want to send out, if you have a large international base and you don't want to, send anything out on, Diwali or Cinco or anything like that too, you can also select individual dates, right? And you can choose to repeat it annually or not. So that's another good one here. Again, lots of very, very good automation settings that I think a lot of people miss should be done inside of here. So you can set some defaults here, and there's quite a few of them here that will tell you what the actual thing means, like automatic early recycle. Do you want to do that or not? Text messages to commercial contact. You can select, do you want the email address of the primary contact or the customer itself, right? So if you have a primary contact information in there and maybe the commercial account doesn't have an email or a phone number listed, it will go to the primary contact. So again, another really important piece of information there. Same thing for personal customer. But yeah, go through here, take a look at everything, make sure it's set up the way that you want your agency to run. And this will be super helpful when it comes to making sure that everything looks good on your end. So hope that worked out well for you. If not, please reach out.